What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. Today I have another opportunity to share with you guys another job lead. This is going to be working as a remote call center customer service representative. This is a beginner entry level type of position which is remote. But before we get into that position, I also want to remind you guys of this other job that I posted on my other channel just about a day ago. This was at this company right here. It's MedSurant Health, and they were looking for a credentialing specialist right here. This is the job listing right here. Also, this didn't really require you to have a degree. Basically, they wanted somebody who had a few years of experience performing similar duties in a medical facility. If you don't know what a credentialing specialist does, they're the persons who are responsible for ensuring that all the medical staff are maintaining current credentials and licenses to work legally in their field or specialty. So they'll monitor the renewal dates of licenses and advise people when to take new steps to maintain their current credentials, and also vet new employees to make sure that they have all the required license and credentials before the company actually hires them. So this is a job that I posted about a day ago, so you can check that out if you are interested in that job. And also on this channel, which is my new channel, the work from home channel, this is where I've moved all the remote work from home job videos. So I've been posting videos here every single day of brand new remote work from home job videos, jobs in data entry that don't require any experience, where they will even train you, jobs in doing a live customer care chat where you don't have to be on the phones, jobs in doing regular customer service jobs, technical jobs, tech support jobs, worldwide data entry jobs, healthcare jobs, even jobs here that do require a college degree. But I know some of you guys already have a college degree, so there are even some higher paying jobs here that I post, and I'm posting these new job leads here every single day. So if you are interested in remote work from home opportunities, whether it's full-time, part-time, overnight, beginner, entry-level friendly, or advanced remote work from home jobs, definitely be sure to go over to the work from home channel. Be sure to subscribe, but more importantly, be sure to tap the notification icon here, because that's the only way that you will get notified of when I post a brand new job lead, which is every single day. And you definitely don't want to miss out on these brand new job leads. So with all that covered, let's dive right into today's video. And today I'm covering a position at this company. It is RDI, and they're basically a contact center company where they kind of outsource this for other companies. And while they don't have a job listing on here per se, currently they have job listings on a lot of the popular job boards, so like Indeed, Glassdoor, and Monster, and they're now hiring for a customer service representative here. Now on their careers page, they don't actually list the jobs that they're hiring for, but instead they just allow you to click apply now, and basically you can put your application in. So this is how you would apply here. So I'll leave the link down below for this, but just to give you guys an idea of what you'll be doing in this job, it will be your regular customer service type of job. So basically all you'll be doing here is you'll be the go-to person for customers and providing information regarding products and services. And you'll be using many different methods like the phone, email, and or chat. You will be using other software programs such as email, chat tools, CRMs to track customer interactions and notes. And all you really need for this job, they want someone that has a passion for customer service. They want someone that has a positive attitude. They want someone who will attend all scheduled training, and they do provide training here. So again, this is a beginner friendly type of job. Also, all you need in terms of requirements, you need to have a quiet place where you can work in at home, whether this is a home office or just a quiet place at home. Also, you need to have a reliable and fast internet connection, and you also need to have either a landline or a mobile phone to have this job. And they're giving a ton of benefits here: 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and this is a full-time position. Now, you may have never heard about this company before, and I was able to find them on Glassdoor. So they have 4.3 out of 5 stars overall rating here, which is really good. Also, as you can see here, the industry average is only 3.5 stars, so they are a really good company. People actually like working here. So you can look through some of the reviews to see what people had to say. And also salaries, they have over 700 reported salaries here. So we could probably find the salary for that job, and actually it's the first one listed right here. So based on over 100 reported salaries, people here are making anywhere from $29,000 to $39,000, or an average $34,000. So this isn't the highest paying job. However, it is beginner friendly, entry level. They provide you with training. It's work from home. You get benefits. I think it's a good deal if you're looking for your first work from home job or a beginner friendly work from home job. This is definitely a good option. So link down below, apply as soon as possible for that job. Now also there's another job I want to cover here real quickly. This is going to be at this company. It is ACS Benefit Services, and they're in the business of healthcare or healthcare related products. So currently they have a job opening here. This is for a customer support associate, and this job is going to be working full-time. It is remote, and the department is medical claims. Now for this job, this is what is required. You must be good with Microsoft Office products and Outlook programs, must have excellent verbal and written communication skills, must have the ability to communicate in writing clearly and concisely, must be able to pay attention to the minute details of a project or task, must be able to get along well with a variety of personalities and individuals. Also, the functions of this job: you'll be answering customer calls regarding claim status, eligibility, and benefit for medical and dental plans, response to emails from participants and or providers, responds back to the caller with detailed payment information, informs manager regarding verification benefits, creates tickets in regards to disputes or appeals, assist participants with finding a participating provider on Cigna's website. And these are going to be some of the essential functions here, but you don't need a college degree for this job, and all you really need here is just a high school diploma or the equivalent. And if you have 1 or more years of working experience, then that is preferred, but it's also not required. So this is another entry-level related job. Also, you must be in the Eastern or Central US time zones for this job, but that's the only requirement here, not really a lot. So this is also a beginner friendly or entry-level related role, and I'll leave the link down below so you guys can apply. Now, if you've never heard about this company before, ACS Benefit Services, I was able to find them on Glassdoor. However, there's not a lot of info here on Glassdoor. They only have 4 reviews and 8 reported salaries, so not really a ton of information here. There weren't any salaries here for customer care or customer service. These were the only listed salaries, so we're not 100% sure on how much this job actually pays. However, if you still like to apply, link is down below. So these were the 2 job leads for today. Be sure to apply as soon as possible. All the best in your job hunt. Don't forget to subscribe to the Work From Home channel, link down below. But with all that covered, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.